you may use the inline editing feature to mass delete journal entries. The first step is to ensure that the inline editing feature is enabled in your account. Using your administrator role, navigate to Setup, Company, Enable Features, and on the Company tab, scroll down to the Data Management section. Look for the inline editing and ensure that it is marked Enabled. Then go to the list of journal entries by navigating to Transactions, Financial, Make Journal Entries, and List. Make sure that the inline editing is turned on and look for column fields with pencil icon next to it. In this example, we have Memo that is editable. If none are available, you need to create a custom transaction body field to have a column available for inline editing. To do that, navigate to Customization, List, Records and Fields, Transaction Body Fields, and click New. Enter a name for our custom field. On the Applies To tab, mark Journal, and on the Display tab, subtab field, select Main. Click Save, then go back to the list of journal entries. Under Transactions, Financial, make journal entries and list. Customize the view to add the custom field we just created on the Results tab. Click Add, and let's move it next to the Amount column. Then click Save. To delete multiple journal entries, either hold down the Control or Shift key on your keyboard to highlight multiple transactions. Once you have selected the records that you would like to delete, press the Delete key on your keyboard. A warning will appear at the top of the page. Click OK to continue or cancel to abort the deletion. Once you click OK, the page will reload and it will delete the transactions. Please note that this process is irreversible once they are deleted. Please take caution when selecting and deleting your records.